Good afternoon. We are going to go ahead and go over two homework problems that we had today, or actually classwork problems. The first one, we're going to look here, and we're going to go over, now we're doing multiplication and division whenever we solve these, so the students need to look for keywords. How much candy would each person get if four people shared 3/4 of a bag of M&Ms equally? So now what they need to do is they need to say, okay, what am I cutting up here? What are we cutting up? Are we cutting up four people into 3/4? No. We're going to go ahead and we're going to cut up 3/4, and we're going to divide that amongst four people. So that's the way they set that up. Then what I want to see them do is I want to see them go 3/4 divided by 4/1. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to go 3/4, and then as soon as we change this to the multiplication signs, we're going to find the reciprocal, or what I like to say is flip that fraction right after the multiplication sign, and we make that now 1/4. Then what we do is we go ahead and multiply across, and that means that each person will get 3/16. So what that means is we're going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and draw this, and we're going to split this into fourths. All right, so here we go. So we're going to go ahead, and there it is into fourths. And actually what we're looking at here is we're going to be looking at 3/4. So right here, I'm going to shade that, and then we're going to split it amongst four people. So there's 1, 2, 4, and you can see that each person is going to get 3/16. Okay, so that's the way that we solve that. Next, we're going to look here. Emma has 2 cups of chocolate chips. She uses 1/4 of a cup to make one batch of her world famous chocolate chip cookies. How many batches of cookies can Emma make? So what we're going to do here is, okay, so we have 2 cups. What I want to figure out, all right, so here's the 2 cups. Here's the 2 cups right here. I want to figure out, okay, she needs to use 1/4, so I'm going to split this up into fourths. She uses, there's 1 batch, 2 batches, 3 batches, 4 batches, 5 batches, 6 batches, 7 batches, 8 batches. So what Emma's going to do here is we're going to look here and we're going to say, okay, so we have 2 cups, and we're going to divide that by 1/4. So we're going to go 2/1 divided by 1/4, and then we're going to go 2/1, and then we're going to go times, and we're going to make this 1/4, and we're going to make this equal 8. Okay, so that equals 8. So she can make 8 batches. There you can see where the position is of the whole number, whether or not we have it as the divisor or the dividend. So that's what we're working on this week. Have a great weekend.